Welcome to the Brook Railroad. It is late November and we are preparing for a scavenger hunt today on the railroad. So that'll be interesting. I gotta get both engines down to the other end of the track. Alrighty, just don't lean out. Please sit down on the car and ride it like it's a bicycle.
Okay.
And what we're going to do is we're going to ride to the other end of the track, find a barrel,
okay,
break it up, put it in that car, and bring it back down here and put it in this barrel.
Excellent.
And then I'll give you a number.
Okay. Yay. All right. Here's our selfie. Linda, look. Linda.
Okay. Oops. All right, you may get off. So now, somewhere here, there are some tools, and somewhere here, there are some barrels, one of which will not break.
See plastic barrels.
Yep. Some are more brittle than others. Choose wisely.
Oh, that's a big. Okay, here are some tools.
Oh, there's a sledgehammer. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
So basically, I'm having to break up these old brittle barrels. Pick up all the little pieces and then put them in that car.
How do we get the rim?
That's the one.
If you can get the rim, you don't have to get the rim if you can't get it broken.
Great for anger, man.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, there you go.
You gotta put the tools back too.
Yeah, just put the tools back in the pile where they were. Yeah.
I'll grab the tools.
And a little hint, there's a piece that fell off in that little shed right there.
Oh, okay. In here?
Now there's a piece of ring over there too. Oh, something one of the other teams missed. Here you go.
Trying to get killed. Okay.
Oh, this one's better.
Taking some sticks back.
Alrighty, well.
Back on the train?
Yeah, we're gonna go that way.
Seymour. It worked so well last time.
There we go.
Alright, now we're releasing the brake.
You got all the sticks on my You got it?
Oh, good.
Oh, nice. Good job.
Oh yeah, good.
Get up, please. All right, here we go. Stop. Parking brake. Finger is clear. You're good.
Alright, I'll take the kindling.
Ow!
It's like rolling away.
Alrighty.
Thank you so much.
Yes. And do you have the clues? You have the clue for you, the number for you right there. Thank you very much. Another team. Today's task is ride the train to the other end of the track, find a white barrel, and they're pretty brittle, so they'll break up with the tools that are up there.
Okay.
And stick it in one of these bins when you're done.
Okay.
And yeah.
All right, let's go.
Then we give you your number.
Do we bring a trash can?
Nope. You got to bring it back down here. So we're going that way. If you want to look forward.
I do want to say
I'm in the front, huh?
Okay. Oh, hello. I get to be right in front of the camera, huh? Sweet. Well, should we do a little quick vlog on our way? Oh, chicken! Chicken! Look at all those turkeys.
Just making sure that car stays on the rails. It does.
Alright.
Alrighty, now you'll find some tools somewhere here, and you'll find some barrels somewhere here.
All right.
Mallet.
Choose wisely.
Oh, wait.
These barrels will not break up with those tools.
Okay.
Oh, there's my parking brake right there. Well, I didn't film it all, but we got a lot done. A lot of happy people through here today. They cut up all these barrels here. Mostly broke them up, but then towards the end, the barrels they got some that weren't so brittle, and they still were not sound enough to hold water, use as water tanks or anything like that. So we cut them up and we'll put them in the recycling. I'll finish cutting these up later. So then we got a couple of other tasks for people to do after that. So, well, it was an interesting day. So I hope all the participants enjoyed themselves. They certainly seemed to. But yeah, this was a lot of fun doing a scavenger hunt here from the Brook Railroad. So I want to thank you for watching. And if you did enjoy it, please hit that thumbs up button. If you'd like to help us out making more videos, you can go to patreon.com/millbrookrailroad, or you can always become a channel member here on YouTube. I want to thank you very much for watching today's video once again, and hey, enjoy the rest of your day. Now let's see. They're facing in opposite directions. I've forgotten how to reverse the radio control so I can MU these. Dang, I'm gonna have to read the manual again.